Today we're breaking down what X.com, formerly Twitter, promote mode actually is, how it works, and why creators and brands used it to grow faster on the platform. If you've ever wondered how to get more reach on your posts without manually running complicated ads, this feature is worth understanding. And if this video helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Let's get into it. X Promote Mode was an automated, subscription-based advertising service built into X, or Twitter as it used to be called. The main idea was simple. Instead of creating individual ad campaigns yourself, you paid a flat monthly fee, and the platform automatically boosted your content for you. Historically, the price was around $99 per month, though availability and pricing could change over time. Here's how it worked. Once Promote Mode was turned on, X's algorithm would automatically amplify your first 10 original tweets each day. That means the platform would take those tweets and show them to a targeted audience that was more likely to engage with your content. The goal was not just more impressions, but also more visibility, more engagement, and more follower growth over time. This was especially useful for creators, businesses, and personal brands that wanted consistent promotion without needing to manage ads manually. You didn't have to select every audience segment, set every placement, or monitor every campaign detail the way you would with a traditional ad setup. Promote Mode handled that process in the background while you kept posting normally. The targeting was based on X's own system, which meant the platform decided how to distribute your tweets to people it believed might be interested. In practice, that made it a hands-off option for users who wanted simplicity. You posted content, and the service worked continuously to attract new followers and expand your reach. Now, it's important to understand what Promote Mode was designed to do. It was not meant to replace a full marketing strategy, and it didn't guarantee massive growth overnight. It worked best when your tweets were already strong, consistent, and relevant to the audience you wanted to reach. In other words, the service could help good content travel further, but it could not fix weak content on its own. If you were using Promote Mode, the first thing to remember was that only your first 10 original tweets per day were typically promoted. That means reposts, replies, or other types of content may not have received the same treatment. So if you wanted to get the most out of it, you needed to be thoughtful about which tweets you posted first each day. Another key point is that Promote Mode was subscription-based. That meant you were paying for ongoing automation rather than a one-time boost. For some users, that was convenient because it created a steady stream of promotion. For others, it may not have been worth the monthly cost, depending on how active they were and how much value they got from the added exposure. So, in simple terms, X.com Promote Mode was an easy, automated way to advertise your tweets, grow your audience, and attract followers without manually managing every part of the campaign. It took your regular content and pushed it to a larger, targeted audience using X's algorithm. If you're trying to decide whether a feature like this is useful, think about your goals. If you want convenience and you post consistently, it can save time. If you want full control over targeting, budgeting, and campaign setup, a traditional ads tool may be a better fit. I hope this quick explanation helped make X Promote Mode easier to understand. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.